Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation. You know what? Today I am going to discuss about the most interactive topics, and that is the study areas of electrical and electronic engineering. I am with you throughout the whole video, Mohammad Minhajul Abedin Nannu, student of electrical and electronic engineering at Begum Rokeya University, Rangpur. Tripoli, the most sought discipline in the field of engineering. This discipline concerned with the study, design and application of equipment, device and system which use electricity, electronics and electromagnetism. Okay, now I will move to the next slide where I point out the study areas of Tripoli. Study areas of Tripoli are shown here. Electrical power sector, software, electronics, microelectronics and nanoelectronics, embedded system, control and robotics, computers, telecommunication, signal processing, instrumentation, biomedical engineering. Now I will try to give you a little ideas about this sector. First of all, electrical power. Electrical power is the rate per unit time at which electrical energy is transferred by an electric circuit. Electrical power is the main part of electrical and electronic engineering. Electrical power is usually produced by electrical generator but can also be supplied by other source like batteries. It is usually supplied to business and home by electric power grid. Software. Every day we come across different types of computer software that helps us with our task and increase our efficiency. Actually, software is a set of instruction or program that used to operate computer and execute a specific task. Now I will move to next slide where I discuss about electronics. Electronics. Electronics is the study of how to control the flow of electrons. This part contains design and testing of electric circuit. It is widely used in information processing, telecommunication, signal processing, semiconductor device, power electronics, embedded system, and so on. Electronics has had a major effect on the development of modern society. Microelectronics and nanoelectronics. Microelectronics deal with the design and microfabrication of very small electronic circuit. The most common microelectronics component are used semiconductor, transistor, resistor, capacitor, etc. Although all the main electronics component can be created at a microscopic level. Nanoelectronics is the further scaling of device down to nanometer level. Modern devices are already in the nanometer level. Embedded system. Embedded system is a computer system, a combination of a computer processor, memory and input-output peripheral device that has a dedicated function within a larger mechanical or electrical system. Control and robotics. Tripoli engineer also can study in robotics to design autonomous system using control algorithm, which interpret sensory feedback to control actuator that can move a robot. For example, autonomous vessel. So it is necessary to understand the concept of control system to get started with robotics. Computers. Tripoli deals with the design of computer and computer system. This may involve the design of new hardware, the design of PDAs, tablets and supercomputers, or the use of computers to control an industrial plant. Telecommunication. Telecommunication engineering focuses on the transformation of information across a communication channel such as coax cable, optical fiber or free space. Telecommunication engineer design the transmitters and receiver needed for the such system. Signal processing. Signal processing is a very mathematically oriented and intensive area. It is rapidly expanding with new application in every field of electrical and electronic engineering, such as communication, controls, radar, etc. Instrumentation. It is very important part of Tripoli. It is ideal with the design of device to measure physical quantities such as pressure, flow, and temperature. Biomedical engineering. Biomedical engineering is the another subdiscipline of electrical and electronic engineering, who is concerned with the design of medical equipment like artificial internal organs, machine which can diagnose medical problems, and the replacement for various body parts. So there are many study areas for an electrical and electronic engineering student, and many more areas will be creating day by day. So don't worry, choose your interested areas and start working to make this world more peaceful. This is all about my presentation. Thank you for watching.